Now though, it's the STV News at 6.
This is STV News at 6. Currently, we have flocks of pups all over Scotland at the moment attacking people. Here is the latest.
Thank you, Lord, for my cone.
Help, I'm stuck in the hole. He's going to put my eyes out. Help.
The boy was lucky. He only lost his specs.
How brave are you, Birdie?
This daft bitch wasn't so fortunate. She lost a finger.
Ow!
They seem to be travelling in teams of 10 to 20, and some of them are even robbing shops and people coming out of them. Shireen Nanjiani has this report.
Yes, that's absolutely right. This poor old bastard. He was coming out of the shop. We're still unclear as to what type of bird it is, but you can clearly see it's a big one, and it's attacked him. Goodness gracious, they have invaded the train station.
Shireen, is everything okay over there? Shireen, we seem to have lost connection with Shireen. Here is what's happening in Coatbridge. A member of the public was able to catch this clip on their mobile device, which is a seagull swallowing an unlucky squirrel whole. Here is a seagull attacking a cat in a backyard.
The rats seem to be eating.
Shireen, what are the rats doing?
Mayday.
Shireen, you're breaking up. What are the rats doing? Oh my god, what's that? Is that a bloody rat? Oh my god.
I don't understand why she's wanting to see earbuds. What's she wanting earbuds for?
She seems to be choking more than Madonna did on her 60th birthday.
Also in news tonight, helicopter attack in Edinburgh while people are trapped.
Here's the latest. And are you still trapped?
I am fucking trapped.
So what are you going to do?
I'm pretty sure if we know what to do, Mrs. We wouldn't be in this situation. The first thing you ask, we seem to be having some technical difficulties. Back to you in the studio. Difficulties, my ass, I'm still here.
Meanwhile, these birds have still trapped people
throughout Scotland.
Well, first the wee parcels get in through the shop, down the stairs, and then they get in, and then they get out, and then they get up the stair.
Good evening from the Maryhill area of Glasgow, where an unconfirmed number of people
seagulls
lie trapped in a city in mourning after the loss of 60
seagulls
men in one of the North Sea's worst helicopter disasters.
We thought the helicopter was attacking the seagulls at first, but it turns out it was the seagulls that was attacking the helicopter. Aye, it was a big crash, mate.
Oh no! Have spoken. Scotland is to
away
stay
from the seagulls.
But how are we meant to do that? We can't get out of our house. We're trapped. We're trapped.
All I hear.
So
So why don't you just try throwing out some bread or some seeds or something?
when everything is falling about around your ears,
Turn it up, turn up that song.
Excuse me, could you turn your radio down? Excuse me, could you turn your radio down for a second?
What's on it for me, Murphy?
I won't call the police, that's what's in it for you.
It's your job to make the viewer think that everything is completely under control.
Shireen, they're violent and they like to attack, but at least they do not shit on you.
What makes you think they'll shit on you?
We'll start calling you Shat on Shireen. Bye-bye for now. Hello, I am Shireen Nanjiani, here at STV News. What we have is a flock of rogue pigeons flying over Coatbridge at the moment. We have Eyeza Irwin following them. They seem to be heading towards Glasgow Central. Back to you in the studio. For some strange reason, these rogue pigeons have been stealing the buckfast off the nets. They are violent and they like to attack, but at least they do not shit on you. Shireen Nanjiani, ITV News. We're at Ayr River here today, checking out these guys. When a little junkie came over and stole our fucking camera equipment. The little fucker was fast. And there he is there! He's got his camera! He's got my camera! In his fucking hand! No, he's not got hands. So if you check out this little bastard over here, he's a dirty little fucker.
The little guys are really, really wild, and after COVID, they fucking kill ya. Now, these little guys have had a little bit of a hard... The benchies got stole off the junkies, lady. The lady junkie over there. Eyeza Irwin here. Another episode of Bird Hunter. We're here in air today, and not only the birds are out, the weirdos are out too. Check this guy out. The birds migrate here every year. They fly through Glasgow, they fly to Africa, and then they come back. But they gotta dodge these guys. He's got his animal ears on. Seagulls about here are really, really big, but you can jump them if you're really, really fast. Check out this one up here, mate. Crikey, he's a biggin. You've got to be careful to these big guys. Big hippopotamus green guys. Holy fucking stings. They're everywhere, man. What's that fucking thing? It's so fucking big.